You may ask me why I was running in the first place. So, whatever. We will make a giant fluffy slime. Bam! So, for our giant slime, we will need 2 bottles of glue, hand cream, borax, paint. I use acrylic paint, cornstarch, spoon. Here it is. Glitter, and on the first place is shaving cream. Yes, here. So let's go. So first of all, I will take a giant bowl and hold 2 bottles of glue in. So the first bottle is open and the second is open. So 1, 2, 3. Whee! Ugly sounds. I know. Whee! Whee! Ew. Ew, ew, ew. There's bubbles. There are bubbles. Oops. First bottle. Oops. I broke glue over. Oops. Whee! How much is glue over there? It will work. So, yeah. Oh, yeah, it's working better than the spoon. Mixing it all together. Mixing. Oh, shit. Why it's so thick. So, I mix it all together. Now I could put paint. So mixing the paint in, the paint in. We'll have the really bright pink color. This mixing it all together. So guys, I take the whole bottle of shaving cream and see this. Maybe like nothing in there. I will put the left. Like this. So now I need to mix it all together. I can see glue. There's only shaving cream. Oops, I can't use spoon. I will add cornstarch. I think I will add a spoon. Maybe teaspoon, like this. Put it in, and I will add this much to normal slimes, but we are having a giant slime, so I will put in another teaspoon. This, perfect. So cream for hands. I will add, first of all, I will add a spoon of this. A spoon, oops, well, here, a spoon, and it don't want to come off of the spoon, so I don't need the spoon. I will take and whee, look at this, perfect. So now we need to mix it all together. I will mix it and come back. So I mix it all together, and this is what I have here. And I need to put some of the glitter in. I have like this pink beauty glitter. I think I will put a half of it in there. Like this. So, not mixing the glitter in now, I will put my activator in. So for activator, I will need some water. Here, the water. And I will put the activator in the water. So my activator is not like so strong. Oh, I forgot about that thing, whatever it's called. I'm using borax. You could use any activator that you try. I'm putting a little bit of the borax in, so I'm putting a little bit because last time that I was mixing the borax and water together, I can't believe that my borax was so strong that I put a smaller amount I ever could use, and it was a really strong slime. So I'm putting a little bit in and trying to mix it all together. Oh, it's coming. Yeah, cool. It's coming. When I will mix it all together, I will come back. So I have mixed it all together, and this is my giant fluffy slime. I couldn't ever imagine that I can do this. I was seeing that other video makers, I don't know, whatever it's called, were making giant fluffy slimes, but I don't believe that I could do that. Believe in yourself. So it stretches really well. So it's crunched. And I just want to one question. If you Not one question, some questions. If you like this slime, please give this video a big thumbs up. I will give you a challenge. Can you give me 2,000 thumbs up? If it's possible, let's do this. After 2,000 likes, you will see a new better video with water slime. So you can start your challenge, and I just want to say subscribe to this video, and don't forget to click a bell, because it is really will be helpful for me, because when you're giving me subscribes, I'm making my slimes even better than every time. So, bye guys. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I love you. Bye bye.